like peace me pronounce and then the peace me become one bear. Now therefore call upon Excellency to please respond to this sudden, this positively embarrassing, this shock birthday party having as a post-birthday celebration. And I believe that everybody here in the entourage was shocked. We thought we were coming just to visit Anaman, but we didn't know that we were going for phase 2. Your Excellency, speak, your people listen.
His Royal Majesty, my own king, my own Amanyana, in whom and my Lord, the Queen herself, they are all welcome. So, my Royal Highness, the King and his dear wife, and the Council of Chiefs, I can't appreciate your love. You people are really a father indeed. And I will continue to be loyal to you people. A child cannot run more than his father. I will listen. And I will come back. Because they say charity begins at home. You must start from your house. So I thank you people so much. Then the other one, I thank you for your peaceful nature. Because I am Mama Peace. I don't believe in crisis. I don't like crisis. I don't love crisis. Where there is crisis, there is no development. And when there is crisis, even there will be no dialogue. Whatever is your problem, bring it to the table, let on a dialogue, and it will come to pass. Peace will come here. I need peace in Kirike. I need peace in River State. I need peace in Nigeria. Amen. Because I have no other country to go to. Just like as I said, I have no other home to go. So that's how I always say people, I don't have any other country to go to. At times we go abroad, you have said it. When you go there, it will be hungry. You let me go there, let me go there, let me go there. But when you go there, you won't even stay more than 1 week or 2 weeks.
That's true.
You will find your way back. Now let me go and see my people. Because those people can never be your people. Yes. So you must go back to see your people. So when we destroy our homes, where are we heading to? God should not let us destroy our home.
Amen.
God will not let us destroy our home.
Amen.
So we thank God for your peaceful nature. We thank God for carrying your chiefs along. Because anytime I come around, I see them with you. Anywhere I see you, your chiefs are always there. So it's obvious you carry them along. And our people are peaceful. Kirike is our own small London. There is one day I was reading opera. They said the finest town in River State. When I opened it, it was Kirike. I said, we thank God. We thank God. And I want to use this opportunity to also appeal to you, my children. I love all of you. I don't want you to die. I don't want anything to reach you. I love you people. I want you to be alive for me. Don't go out. Don't go and join them there, please. Please stay at home. It's well with you.
Amen.
It's well with you.
Amen.
Everything will be settled.
Amen.
Everything will be settled.
Amen.
Because if we destroy it, what are we destroying? It's our own.
Amen.
It's not easy to build. It's not the best thing for us. And those things we are destroying, the same way as saying development should come to us. We need development, we need development. If you look at those things we destroyed, I know not the good ones. It's just the hooligans that hijack the protests.
Amen.
Now they continue destroying. So we are built during Babangida time. Now imagine that year till today, how many years has passed? Can we take within this remaining 2 years that is remaining for Mr. President to build it? It's not possible. No matter how we agitate, no matter how we force him, he will not take these 2 years and build what was built 20 years or 30 years ago. It's not easy. So then let us not destroy what we have. When you are angry, you want to die. No, I want you to live for tomorrow.
Amen.
Tomorrow is a better day.
Amen.
God will touch us. God will open our way.
Amen.
May the youth of this country live forever.
Amen.
And live to bury with their mamas and their papas.
Amen. Bye-bye.
So let us shun violence and bring peace back to Nigeria.
Amen.
When you see those their friends there, preach peace for them.
Amen.
Preach love for them. Tell them, Mama, love them. Mama, want them to live. Mama, say, come back home. She is here for you. It's well with you.
Amen.
And may God bless all of us.
Amen.